Hello, everyone. Today we are going to explore an extremely impressive list. Top 10 most expensive home transactions in U.S. history. These are the most luxurious and expensive mansions with numbers that will overwhelm you. Let's take a look at these properties and learn about the amazing transactions. Starting at number 10, we have the manor located in Holmby Hills, California, valued at $119.75 million. The mansion is 56,000 square feet and sits on 4 acres of land. The house has 123 rooms, including a movie theater, bowling alley, and multiple pools. It is the home of Candy Spelling, wife of famous television producer Aaron Spelling. The purchase was made in 2019. At number 9, we have the mansion at 9405 and 9411 East Cielo Drive, Beverly Hills, California, worth $120 million. With a whopping 24,000 square feet and 3.5 acres of land, this home is located in one of the most exclusive areas of Los Angeles. This mansion has been owned by many famous Hollywood stars in the past. This transaction took place in 2019, marking one of the biggest sales in Beverly. At number 8, we have the Beverly House, Beverly Hills, California, with a sale value of $125 million. This 50,000 square foot mansion sits on 3 acres of land, designed in a classical style with a large garden and a luxurious swimming pool. Famous in the film industry, this house once belonged to William Randolph Hearst, one of the richest men in the United States. This transaction took place in 2016. Coming in at number 7 is Great Island, Darien, Connecticut, worth $125 million. At a whopping 60 acres, the island features a main house and outbuildings, creating a luxurious private retreat. The purchase took place in 2014 and drew attention for its uniqueness as a private island in an expensive area of the northeastern United States. Next, the 6th place belongs to Palazzo di Amore, Beverly Hills, California, worth $129 million. With 35,000 square feet and 25 acres of land, this Mediterranean-style mansion includes a movie theater, tennis court, and vineyard. The owner of this house is Jeff Green, a famous real estate investor. This transaction took place in 2014. Next up, we have 1107 Hillsborough Mile, Hillsborough Beach, Florida, valued at $139 million. This 60,000 square foot mansion sits on 2 acres of land, with luxury amenities like an infinity pool and private beach. The sale took place in 2017 and is one of the most expensive properties in Florida. We've come in at number 4 with Chartwell Estate, Los Angeles, California, for $150 million. This 25,000 square foot mansion sits on 10 acres of land and is designed in a classic French style. Featuring stunning gardens and luxurious amenities, the home was purchased by Oil Air Jerry Perenchio. The sale took place in 2019. Number 3 is the mansion at 27712 Pacific Coast Highway, Malibu, California. This mansion was sold for $200 million in May 2023, setting a record as the most expensive real estate transaction in California history, with an area of about 30,000 ft2 located on about 8 acres of land. And the owner of this mansion is the power couple Jay-Z and Beyoncé. Coming in at number 2 is the One, a mega mansion in Bel Air, California, with a whopping $295 million price tag. Designed to be the home of the century, the 105,000 square foot mansion features 21 bedrooms, 49 bathrooms, and sits on 3.8 acres of land with amenities like 5 swimming pools, including a panoramic infinity pool, a 40-seat movie theater, a 10,000-bottle wine cellar, a 4-lane bowling alley, a private nightclub and cigar room, a fully equipped spa and salon, a 30-car garage, a 5,500 square foot master suite. The sale is set to take place in 2022. And finally, at number 1 on the list is Gordon Pointe, in Naples, Florida, worth $295 million. This 2,800 square foot mansion sits on 9 acres of land. The property includes 3 separate homes, including a main residence and 2 guest houses with luxury amenities. The purchase was made in 2021 and is one of the most expensive real estate transactions in U.S. history. So we have reviewed together the 10 most expensive home transactions in U.S. history. These properties are not just houses, but symbols of luxury and power. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on interesting videos about real estate and the rich world. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.